Eliminate the excess, jargon and clichés in writing. Hello learners! Today, we are going to delve deep into the world of language and style revisions. One of the most crucial parts of this process is eliminating jargon and clichés from our writing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot these tricky elements and replace them with clear, unique language. Let's get started. Jargon refers to specialized language used by a particular profession or group that might not be easily understood by the general public. It can be a barrier between your writing and your reader, especially if they are unfamiliar with the terms. Example: in the IT world, terms like back-end, bandwidth, or cache are common, but they might be confusing to someone outside of that field. While jargon can be useful within specific contexts, it's essential to ensure your intended audience can understand your writing without feeling alienated. Tips for eliminating jargon. 1. Know your audience. Consider if the terms you're using would be clear to them. 2. Replace with simple terms. Instead of cache, you might say temporary storage, if explaining it to someone unfamiliar with IT. 3. If jargon is necessary, define it. Sometimes you can't avoid using a specialized term. In those cases, provide a brief definition. A cliché is a phrase or idea that has been overused to the point where it loses its original meaning or power. Example: phrases like, "at the end of the day," "think outside the box," or "avoid like the plague," are considered clichés. Clichés can make your writing seem uninspired or lazy. Readers are always looking for fresh, genuine insights, so try to convey your message without relying on these worn-out phrases. Tips for avoiding clichés. 1. Be aware. Familiarize yourself with common clichés so you can recognize them when you use them. 2. Seek originality. Try to express the same idea in a fresh, new way. 3. Read aloud. Sometimes hearing a cliché can help you catch it more easily than reading it. Clear language is key to effective communication. By avoiding jargon and clichés, your writing becomes more accessible to a broader audience. You demonstrate thoughtfulness in your choice of words. Your ideas can shine through without being clouded by confusing or overused language. There you have it, writers. By steering clear of jargon and clichés, you can elevate your writing and ensure that your message resonates with your audience. Always remember, the essence of great writing is clarity and originality. We hope this video has equipped you to refine your drafts further. Keep writing, and until next time, happy revising!